Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make this alpine stitch. I have done a few rows of that alpine stitch as a sample. So to start the work, I have to have a slip knot and an even number of chains. Here I am going to have 18 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have 18 number of chains. You also can have that number or an even number. Then I am going to make a double crochet into the fourth chain from the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook into the fourth chain and make a double crochet. Now there are 2 double crochets because this chain 3 part also can be considered as a double crochet. Then you have to make each of these chains 1 double crochet until you finish the row. You have to make 1 double crochet into each of the chain here. Okay, now there are 16 double crochets including this chain 3 part. So then we have to make the second row. It is a single crochet row. So make 1 chain and turn the work and make single crochets to each of the stitches here. There should be 16 single crochets. You have to add the last single crochet into this chain 3, top of this chain 3. Now make 3 chains. Now we are going to make the pattern row. Then turn the work and this is a double crochet, can be considered as a double crochet. Then to the next DC here we have to make the front post double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook by this side of the double crochet stitch and bring it up the other side. Then grab the yarn and get 3 loops onto the hook, then release 2 loops and then release the other 2 loops. Now the first front post double crochet is done. Then to the next, on top of the next double crochet, normal double crochet should be done. So to the next DC, onto the next DC, a normal double crochet. Then to the next DC, again yarn over and insert the hook this side and bring it up in the other side. So around the double crochet we are going to make a double crochet, that is front post double crochet. Okay, alternately you have to make these. Then yarn over to the next space, double crochet, into the next space, front post double crochet, then a normal double crochet. Alternately you have to do that. Then a front post double crochet. Normal one, then to the next one, front post double crochet. So alternately you have to do this pattern. Normal one, then front post double crochet, a normal one, and to the last one we have to do a normal double crochet to get a cleaner edge. Now there are normal double crochets and front post double crochets alternately. Then you have to make a single crochet row, make one chain and turn over the work and make one single crochet to the same place, and on top of these stitches you have to make one single crochet. There should be 16 single crochets. After finishing the single crochet row, I'm going to change the color, so I'm going to fasten off. Cut the yarn and now I can use another color. We can tie it with a knot to the last SC. Okay, now make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Turn the work. Then here you have a front post double crochet in the previous row, so we have to make a normal double crochet into that stitch. This one is a normal double crochet, and next you can find a normal double crochet, then you have to make a front post double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook. This is the, then this one is a front post double crochet, so onto that we just make a normal double crochet, then a front post double crochet. then a normal double crochet, then a front post double crochet. Okay, likewise you have to complete alternately front post double crochet, then normal one. Final one, it should be a normal double crochet. Okay, now we have to start the single crochet row. So make one chain and turn the work and start making single crochets into each of the stitches below. Now the single crochet row is done. Then the pattern row, make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, turn the work and now onto this double crochet we have to make around this double crochet, make a front post double crochet, then over this front post double crochet make a single crochet, double crochet, then a front post double crochet, then a normal double crochet. Always over front post double crochet you have to have a normal double crochet, and around normal double crochet you have to have front post double crochet. Likewise you can continue. Okay, now the next row is a single crochet row, then the pattern row. Likewise you can complete the project. As you have to choose the length and width of the blanket or something, or a bag, then you can complete the project. Thank you for watching.